Hello guys, welcome to Zion King FS channel. Today I'll be doing some live breakouts or how I call this beautiful setup on JP225. JP225 is an indices, so let me walk you along the line how I call this setup on it. Okay, let me remove all the drawing first. Now, for us to start our bias, we have to zoom to the weekly time frame for our entering trade for the week. As you can see, weekly breakout was signifying a bullish market condition. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. As you can see from our weekly. Let me zoom this very well. So along the weekly line, there was a rejection at this weekly key level. As you can see, as there was a this weekly key level is a V shape. It's a V shape level. Let me use my line chart for you to see. As you can see, this is a breakout to the upside. So what do you need? We need once this breakout and it violated this low that created the high, that means it's still a continuation setup to take out this high. So as we are seeing this now weekly, how can we take the setup from our normal time frame, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, lower time frames? So the weekly range detects where liquidity is and where market is going for delivery. This is purpose of the weekly time frame, as you can see. Okay, now I've already marked the range high that was previously that caused this breakout, and this was the V shape that happened for the retest. So as I spot that one now, then we zoom to the daily time frame. The daily time frames show a valid rejection at this key level. As you can see, this is a valid key level rejection from another breakout from the daily. If I had to check that would be around, as you can see, break of structure again. This is just normal basic structure. You can see, boom, high, lower high, lower high. You can see higher low, higher low, higher low. So how do we know that okay, a trend is about to shift? Let me go back to normal price candle. As we are seeing this on our time frame, there was a sharp reversal at this V-shaped key level, and that range, the candle closed above the previous high. That takes me to a CRT, which means candle range theory. Another line, the function of candle range theory is that whenever a low was swept and reclaimed back let's say for instance now, this is the low that was. So when market time to a key level, let me adjust this very well. Oh, sorry about that. As you can see the level, when the candle tap on a key level and reject to close above the previous low, that's the signal that oh, as this slope was swept and reclaimed back, then this high is going to be taken by the candle. So now I'm coming. Now let's zoom to our 4 hour time frame. Now on our 4 time frame, what can you see on this 4 hour time frame? You can see that after a daily sweep on a daily time frame, market is rejecting back from this QMR level, right? This was the high that we first choose from that weekly time frame for it to create another reconstruction upward. So as I spot down, I was like, wow, this market rejects back at this QMR level. There was a sweep of liquidity, which is this. There was a sweep of liquidity and a breakout to the upside. As I spot it, I know that oh, once markets come to this key level, it's going to buy to target. I think it's 1:. Okay, let me measure it. I think this is 1:5, or I know that my headset is at this range. This is around 1 ratio 5.5. Let's assume that. Okay. So this is how I curve this by. Now, according to the weekly break of structure I, according to the weekly break of structure I, now I'm waiting for this eye to be taken out when market open next week to take out this eye out. So this is how I curve the JP225 even before the analysis was playing out. I've already posted it on my Telegram channel. Oh, I have to find it again. Yes, on July 3rd, I posted it. That okay. Now see this range it was taking. Now we're going to see a buy constellation at this zone. I just have to set my limit order at this range. So as I said, the limit order it mitigates itself. I think it mitigates. I think at this range, yeah, it mitigates itself. Then tag me along. So this is how I curve it. This is how I curve the. So by next week now, I'm expecting this eye to be taken out. So just stay tuned to my channel. I'll be dropping some bias, how I execute my setups from daily down to the 4-hour time frame. Cause most time, daily and 4-hour time frame is what you need most time for you to be trading like the institutional. As a trade trader, you have to wait for daily time frame and 4-hour time frame alignments for you to cash a good setup after a liquidity sweep. Because without a sweep, I just trading like let me say without a sweep, if you enter a trade blind without the liquidity sweep, then you become the liquidity and you'll be swept out of the market. So before anything, always ensure liquidity sweep. As you can see, those confluence. That's why this key level now is very valid now. So by next week now, when market open on Sunday evening, I'm expecting it to take out this eye out as the internal liquidity, because the low of the liquidity was swept according from the daily time frame CRT range. So and that is all review for today. Please just do it to just like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then I'll be dropping live updates. And if you want some of my setup too, you can check my Telegram channel out. Although I'll be adding it to under this comment section now. Zion King FX. So this my Telegram channel. Every day I actually drop day-to-day bias, everything I have to do, even including some trade that I didn't even do some video about. See all these range, you spot them out there. All my bars start from the weekly time frame, that's the daily time frame. Everything is every day. I actually make sure I drop for easy navigation and cool. So this is it. Whatever anything that you want is still on my channel. So just do it to just like and subscribe. Although I'll be dropping the channel link now to this. If you want to follow up, that's how. Then you see how I trade. Everything is free in my channel. Everything is free. So just stay tuned. Then we ride this market together, and I'll be putting you through how I trade. So thank you.